Hello students, now we are going to discuss the Polyset 2022 question paper of set A chemistry part. So here are the chemistry part questions. Look at the first question children, 91th question. Compound formed when excess CO2 is passed through lime water. Lime water is calcium hydroxide. So we'll see the reaction. When excess CO2 is passed through calcium hydroxide, that is lime water, it is going to form calcium carbonate and water. So this turns lime water milky. So the answer is calcium carbonate. Next question. In endothermic reaction, heat is absorbed. In exothermic, heat is liberated, and in endothermic reaction, heat is absorbed, taken in. Next, we have to balance this equation. Na plus H2O gives NaOH and hydrogen. Gas is liberated. So here we'll balance the equation. 2Na plus 2H2O gives 2 NaOH and 1 H2. So the correct answer is here, this one, second. Next question. 1 mole of propane on combustion gives X kilojoules at STP, that is standard temperature and pressure. Heat liberated by the combustion of 11.2 liters of propane at STP in kilojoules is X by 2. This is the answer. Next question. Solution with pH less than 7 is. So here the pH from 1 to 7, they are acidic in nature, and 7 to 14, they are basic in nature. Any solutions? Here 7 is the neutral. So here the question asked is solution with pH less than 7. Less than 7 means it is acidic. So here we'll see the acid. Acetic acid solution is the answer. Next question. 96th question. Identify the salt in the following. Here NaCl is the salt here. It is the base. It is the acid. So here it is also basic in nature. So NaCl, sodium chloride, is the salt. Next question. Bases can give dash ions in water. Bases are going to give OH ions. Acids will give H plus ions. Next question. Mixing acid to water. When acid is mixed to water, the heat will be liberated. So it is exothermic reaction. Next question. Bleaching powder is formed from. Bleaching powder is formula is CaOCl2. It is formed by using slaked lime and chlorine. So here slaked lime is calcium hydroxide and mixed with chlorine, it is going to give bleaching powder and water is liberated. And next question. Washing soda is used in. It is washing soda, sodium carbonate. It is used in glass in paper industry and also in manufacture of borax and cleaning agent for domestic purposes. So we have to write it as all of the above. Next question. 101. Here color of anhydrous copper sulfate. So hydrated copper sulfate solution, it is blue in color, and when it is anhydrous, water is removed, then it becomes white in color. Next. Maximum number of electrons present in an orbital of atom, it is 2. Next question. 4 quantum numbers of valence electron of sodium. So here sodium, atomic number of sodium, it is 11, Atomic number of sodium is 11. So we'll write the electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p, 6 and 3s1. So here the valency electron is, this is the valency electron. So we have to write the 4 quantum numbers for this. So N, L, M and S. These are the 4 quantum numbers we have to find out. So here N is the principal quantum number. Here this is the N, it is 3, and L is the azimuthal quantum number. Here S value for azimuthal quantum number, it is 0, and M value, we'll decide the M values from minus L to plus L values. So here L value is 0, so M value is also 0, the orientation of the orbitals. And here S is the orientation, clockwise or anti-clockwise. It is only single electron, so it is plus half spin. So here the values of the 4 quantum numbers are 3, 0, 0 and plus half. So the answer is 3, 0, 0 and plus half of the valency electron of sodium. Next question. Order of energy of orbitals. It is 3s, 3p, 4s, 3d. Next question. Which of the following electronic configuration is violating Hund's rule? Hund's rule. According to Hund's rule, firstly, all the orbitals should be half filled, then only pairing has to take place. So here it is correct. After filling the half of the orbitals, only pairing has taken place. Only here you can see, here one of the orbital is empty and it has started pairing. So this is the one which is violating the Hund's rule. So the answer is the fourth one. Next question. The total number of atomic orbitals in third shell of an atom, so we'll find out, is n square. Number of atomic orbitals in third shell is, here third shell means n is equal to 3. So the formula is n square. So the total number of atomic orbitals in third shell of an atom is 3 square. It is 9. Next question. Which of the following electromagnetic radiation has more frequency? More frequency means shorter wavelength. So it is cosmic rays. Next one. The classification of elements which is based on atomic number. Atomic number is Moseley, that is modern periodic table. Next question. The electronic configuration of an element is 2, 8, 6. Which one of the following element is chemically similar to the above element? Here 2, 6, 8. It is 2 plus 8, 10. 10 plus 6, 16. So it is 16. Atomic number is sulfur. So here oxygen and sulfur have chemically similar. Next question. The element which belongs to third period and 14th group in modern periodic table, it is silicon. Next question. 111. The orbital with more penetration power towards nucleus is, S orbital is very near to nucleus, so it is more penetration power. Next. Which of the following pair of atomic numbers indicates the S block elements? Here S block elements are alkali and alkaline earth metals. It is sodium and magnesium. They belong to S block elements. Next question. Which is the least electronegative element among the following? Here lithium is the least electronegative element among this. Next. 4F elements are called as lanthanoids. 5F are called as actinoids. Here 4F is lanthanoids. Next question. Which of the following is an non-metal? So here these are metals and here sulfur is the non-metal. Next question. The carbonate ore among the following is, here is the iron oxide ore. Here this is the carbonate ore, iron. Yes. So here this is the answer. Next question. Which one of the following metal occurs in the native form? Native form means in the pure form it is Au. Au is gold. Gold, silver and copper, they occur in the native forms. The more reactive metal in the activity series is, it is potassium. Next question. Identify an acidic flux among the following. SiO2 is the acidic flux. This is the basic flux. Next. Which of the following process is used for the purification of crude metal? Here pooling is the process for purification of the crude metal. Okay children, these are the answers for the chemistry part, and government key will be the final one. So please check it and keep watching the channel for more videos. Thank you children.